Hi guys, today we learn new video. I am Rajendra. Wish you all of you happy Republic Day. So today we are in last video we are given learn about the quality management system IATF 16949 2016 standard. So in this standard it is a automotive standard. So when we are communicate or when we are working in automotive industry, we know that the clauses of that standard. In that standard is that in IATF there is we are in automotive we are using both standard. First standard ISO 9001 2015 all the requirement plus IATF 16949 2016 it is a supplementary requirement. So we are learn both the standard its clauses. So let's start about that. In this standard total 10 number of clauses. So in that 10 number clauses, clause first it is related to scope. Clause number second it is related to normative and informative references. Then the clause number 3 it is related to term and definition. So briefly we introduce that is the what is the second normative and informative reference. In normative reference we are all of know that control plan. It is a control plan which is used for it is a quality tools. It is a control plan. It is a tool that used for the control of all the process and product in quality. Second, annexure B. In informative reference, we are using mainly standards. Example, this is a standard is generated by International Automotive Groups. Example, APMEA, Failure Mode Effect Analysis, APQP, Advanced Product Quality Plan. Also, we are design failure mode effect analysis. So this is in normative. Second clause normative and informative. Third clause number is that in third clause it is defined by term and definitions. Example, we all of know that terms and definition. Example, we are said that APQP it is a term that advanced product quality plan. We learn that DFSS design for Six Sigma. We learn that design for manufacturing. So in term and definition all are given in the IATF 16949 2016 standard. Next, today we are deeply introduce that is what is the role of plan, do, check, act cycle. We all of know that in this standard is depend on risk-based thinking, process approach. So for the process approach we need that learn about the PDCA cycle. So let's start about PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle enables an organization to ensure that its processes are adequately managed and opportunity to enhance the organization, improvement quality management organization, because due to this improvement the total industry, the total company policy and quality management system is improved, and due to this is satisfy the customer, and when the customer satisfied we got the new business and our industry is going on. So let's start about PDCA cycle. So we all know that this is a plan, do, check, act cycle. So in plan there is in IATF 169 there is a clause number 4 it is a planning clause. Clause number 4 is context of organization. It is in planning. Clause number 5, leadership. This is a IATF 16949 clauses. 6, it is a planning. 7, support. So all the clauses are come in planning. It is a plan. Next, after plan, we are action on do. It is a do. It is a clause number 8, operation. It is a come in do. After that, next, it is a check. So clause number 9, it is a performance evaluation. It will be come in check. After that, last, it is act. We call act, it is act, it is a called action. So after planning, do as per planning, then check whatever the result, and after that do the gap analysis, and as per gap analysis take actions. So plan, do, check, act cycle is depend on that cycle. So we are giving in more information about the plan, do, check, act cycle. See that this is a cycle. Example, this is a plan in this context of organization. When we plan, we got context of organization. In context of organization, we got some information. After that, we are thinking about customer requirements. What is the customer requirement? So we note down all the requirement and use for this. After that, we in column number 4, we are understand the need and expectation of interested parties, and we gather all the information. Also, we gather all the information on, as per this information we will plan. So see that this is a cycle. This is a cycle. If this is a cycle is going on well, then organization growth will be well. So first, clause number 4, context of organization. After that, clause number 5, leadership. After that, clause number 6, planning, and clause number 7, support. So after that, we are take action. So clause number 8, operation is take action. After that, we are doing performance evaluation, and after performance evaluation, we are evaluate the performance. Example, in our language, we key performance indicator or objective. We know that all organization have is objective. So as per organization objective, we are planning and performance. All the department in the organization are perform as per objective decided by the top management or decided by the organization. After that performance evaluation, we are doing the gap analysis. Means what is the decided and what is the result. So in between there is a gap. So after this gap analysis, we are doing the improvement on that. Improvement, it is a and corrective actions, and it is a permanent corrective actions. So this plan, do, check, act cycle is very important in the IATF 16949 when we are learn about that clauses, think, and don't forget about the PDCA cycle. So after that cycle, we are giving the risk-based thinking. What is the risk-based thinking? The risk-based thinking is that identify the risk, that is the external or internal risk. So risk, to convert the risk into opportunity. We all know that we are in any industry, there is a many risk. Example, we are giving that if we are working in an industry, that technology in that industry, if the technology is old, so that is a risk. So how to convert this risk into opportunity? That will be learned in the standard. That identify the risk and take a preventive action on that risk. So when we are learn this manual, this standard IATF 169 standard, So think, identify the all risks and take corrective actions, take permanent action on this. Example, old technology, we are think about that improve the machines or old technology with a new one by addition something, or plan a new machinery or new technology in future to sustain our customer satisfaction. Thank you very much. So if you have any queries in this video, hi guys, if you have any queries in this video, so comment on section and give your feedback, valuable feedback in the by mail or comment box. Thank you very much.